Hey guys, it is Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So it is week 2 of the 52 week challenge, the money challenge. So if you missed last week's when I started the 52 week challenge, go ahead and make sure you go and watch that video so it'll explain to you how we are going to do this. Also, we are going to be doing Transfer Tuesday. If you follow Penny's Not Perfection, she's absolutely incredible. She does Transfer Tuesdays every Tuesday, and she paid off one of her debt, or two of her debts, that last year. And she's incredible. She's very motivating, and I wanted to join her for the Transfer Tuesday. So we're going to do the 52 week challenge and the Transfer Tuesday. Make sure you go and subscribe down below because I will be doing these almost every Tuesday, most likely, or I will pre-film them a day before in case I, have to work a 12-hour shift or night shift or something like that. But that is the plan. Every Tuesday, 52 week challenge and the Transfer Tuesday. All right, so this week, we are actually going to do $5. Now, if you watched the first video is I am actually going to just be picking boxes or picking numbers of what I am going to be doing every week. A lot of people start with 1 and go up, and then a lot of people start with 52 and go down all the way to 1. Now, I'm just going to be picking. So last week I picked $15. This week we are going to do 5. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we're going to put it in my little snowman or snowflake box, and we're just going to put it in there, close it up. So we should have $22. So we are going to color in the 5. And let me know how y'all are doing on week 2. I know a couple of y'all have commented on the first one saying y'all are going to join me or try to join me. Y'all don't have to do it every week. I know times are hard sometimes, and I feel you. If you can't do it this week, then don't do it. Like, at least you're saving something, right? But yeah, so this is the second week. So we did $15 the first week, and then we did $5 the second week. So I'm actually going to write first and then second. All right, you guys, so I'm going to set up and then I will show y'all my Transfer Tuesday. All right, you guys, so I have my computer, which flips into a tablet, and I have Wells Fargo, so we are going to transfer money. So we are going to our checking, which I have $79.30. I do have, I think, one more bill coming out before then. And then we're going to go to savings. So how much money are we going to put in? We're going to do that. So we are going to put in, I'm just going to say $5. Only because I know I am going to get paid this week. So I need to make that whole money stretch out. So we're only going to put $5 in there. Now, the $305, that is not how much I have in savings, you guys. Half of that is actually insurance. It's half of the car payment. So that is the reason why it is so high. But no, I still have like $100 and something. So we're going to transfer $5. And yep, checking the savings. Continue and submit. All right, so there you have it, folks. That is our Transfer Tuesday. All right, you guys, so there you have it. That was our Transfer Tuesday and our 52 week challenge. Make sure you go and subscribe down below. Let me know which one y'all are doing, or if y'all are doing both. And let me know if y'all have a channel, because I am more than willing to go and check y'all out, support y'all. I need all the support I can get to do this challenge and to do the Transfer Tuesday. So the more the merrier. And I love you guys, and I will see you guys later. Bye.